Hello, YouTube, and welcome back to Psychology Every Day, day 150. Today, since we're celebrating this amazing number of 150, I'm going to go through something very important and very helpful to you. Now, a lot of you have either struggled to make friends, find love, or this thing is actually super helpful for jobs as well. And the first thing, just going to jump right into it. The first thing you have to realize is that the internet is something that you need to view as either an illusion or a trap that is standing in the way of you doing actual things that will help you make friends, find love, or find a job. Because the internet doesn't work. The dating apps, it's dog shit, especially if you're a man. No one is actually interested in finding love on dating apps. People are just searching for validation. And the same is true sort of for jobs. I know people that have sent out like 600 applications for various jobs and they don't get any. And that is because there's too many. There's too many applications going around. And the same is true for dating, actually. Every single girl gets like 200 guys writing in their DMs. So they get sort of decision paralysis. They can't decide. And then they just coast on sort of the validation on all of these guys. And you're just going to be one of 200 guys. And unless you are, an absolute 7-foot mega rich legend, which you're not, because then you wouldn't be struggling anyway, you're never going to stand out enough to the point where some girl is going to be like, yes, yes, yes. And yes, of course, there are sort of exceptions. It does work. And if you're a girl, then you can go on dating apps and, have your free pick. And of course, those few guys that does get picked on dating apps will feel very lucky. But you should know that the girls that do pick you on dating apps, these might not be the girls that you actually want to be with. So when you eliminate the internet as sort of an option, what remains? Well, reality. I grew up on the countryside and I've never had any problems whatsoever finding a job. And I have never applied for a job on the internet because I know a lot of people. And I know people that know entrepreneurs and stuff like that. So you just call a friend. Hey, you know of any work? And you need to realize that dating is not harder than it ever was. Some people are like, doomers about it. By the way, that's what we called black pill back in the day, doomers. And they're horribly depressed. Oh, dating is so hard. Just look at the internet, whatever, blah, blah, blah. You should actually look at it from the other way. Dating is easier than it ever has been because so many people have given up because of how internet dating is. So actually, getting to know people in real life, being little bit flirty, easier than it ever has been because there's no competition. Because all of the guys go to the sort of easy route in hopes that they will get something via the internet, which they won't. So I'm going to switch over the camera. We're going to look at this. The internet is a trap. And here's the thing. You need to get to know people. This is true for friends, for love, or for work. So here's you. Let's say you only know 4 people. These are the 4 people that you know. The black dots are just random people in your, sort of life vicinity. And then you have potential friends and potential, you know, partners. And you could, of course, do the sort of cold approach, the pickup artists that, just go up to people and be like, hey, I am, I am Owen Cook, perhaps. And, they might be able to get away with that. Oh, sorry. But I find this to be, well, unnatural. And that is because it is. Because we used to have community, right? And you would know a lot of people. Like I do. I know a lot of people. And what you need to do is get to know all of these people. And then you get to know your friends' friends. Get to know all of these people that are not sort of, that you're not desperate to know because you're trying to immediately sort of find love or find friends. And you make so many friends that, you're just eventually gonna bump into someone. You understand? And here's the most important thing. Well, I'm actually going to get to the most important thing in a minute. Because just imagine. I hate this. Look. And then it works, of course. It is weird just walking up to people and being like, I don't even know your name. I'm going to try and charm you. That's like sending your sort of internet resume for a job. And it's like, you have to be just so stellar in order to even have a chance. And even then, it's just based on this sort of shallow thing, which is why it's, even if you are that sort of person that can just walk up to a person at a bar and whatever and be like, do magic tricks and stuff like that. This is a very shallow thing. And I don't mean shallow in a necessarily bad way, but it is shallow because you just met and you're sort of presenting this persona. And who knows if you even want a relationship with that person? And do they want a relationship with the person that you are underneath all of the magic tricks and stuff like that? Probably not. Probably not, to be honest. You need to find friends in a natural, slow, organic way. The same way that you should find love. You sort of hang out. Or, maybe you are acquaintances. And over time, you learn that I like this person. And then you ask them out. Because imagine just going up to someone and being like, someone that you don't know at all. Hey, you want to be friends? Let's be best friends. That's actually what you're doing when you're sort of hitting on people that you don't know. It's odd if you think about it. When you do get to know people, when you hang out at work or, events, stuff like that, you have to get names. What is 0 times 1,000? It's 0. So that means if you have 1,000 events where you go out or anything like that, 1,000 times that you sit in the lunch area at your job, 1,000 times that you go to university, but you don't get to know anyone, you will never get to know anyone. So make sure to get names. If you get to know one new person each week, in 52 weeks, in a year, you'll know 52 more people. And if you looked at that, just imagine 52 connected dots. So go out there, make friends, get to know people. Don't believe for a second that the internet or dating apps will solve any of your problems, because they won't. And if you want to go the route of, social mastery to the point where you can just charm people in, 5 minutes, then by all means, but that's not the natural way. Thank you so much to everyone that has subscribed. I can't believe we're already at 150 days. Man, time flies. Have a great day, everyone. I will see you tomorrow.